Checkless chess, also called Prohibition chess, how to play. The rules are the same as regular chess, except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. You are not allowed to check a king unless it results in checkmate. You may not capture a piece if the capture results in checking a king. You may not move a piece if it results in checking a king. Checkmate can occur in unique ways using this rule. For example, if black moves their queen here, under normal conditions, it would just be a check. However, because the response to this move would mean that white's rook would check black's king, then that means that white is unable to capture black's queen. So, in this variant, black's queen isn't moving to a position of check, but actually checkmate, because white does not have a legal move it can respond with. The first player to checkmate their opponent wins.